COVID-19 and its global impacts. Topics. 1. World at the verge of global crisis, majorly social and economic. 2. World at the brink of a pandemic. 3. The global impacts of coronavirus. 4. COVID-19 has paralyzed the world. 5. COVID-19 has halted the progress of the world. 6. COVID-19 and globalization. Outlines. Introduction. 1. History of pandemics. 2. Globalization facilitated the spread of smallpox. Smallpox eradicated after 2 centuries. Spanish flu was the deadliest episode. Economic crisis after the Spanish flu. 3. Current pandemic. Globalization has also facilitated the spread of COVID-19. 4. Global impacts of COVID-19. Social impacts. The pandemic has caused a health crisis and claimed many lives. Developed nations have failed to provide a cure for COVID-19. Quarantine and social distancing is the only option available. Pandemic has imprisoned the students. Psychological health of the world community is affected. Economic impact. Economic activity had decelerated at a pace unseen in at least 50 years. The world community is faced with unemployment and Japan with a recession. 5. COVID-19 is Pakistan and its impacts. COVID-19 in a month has increased 3 times the number. COVID-19 is a severe threat. The government must understand students from middle-income and low-income families are unable to get the education. The economic crisis aggravated, and the most significant loan from the IMF has been demanded. 6. The way forward to deal with the pandemic. Focusing on social distancing and precautionary measures. Distant learning should be provided to students. UNO should help draft SOPs for international trade. Conclusion.